Chuck is done. Hey YouTube, welcome back. This is Louis, and today we're gonna look at this Metabo UHEV 2860-2. It's the quick release chuck. Some bright spark has actually lodged a bit into the chuck, so we couldn't get it out. So the client brought me this thing to fix it up a bit. As you see, I opened up the gearbox. Everything inside looks reasonably okay. And we're just gonna remove this bolt here, and we can see what's the trouble inside. I also noticed that the speed controller on top is stuck. You'll hear me say it now. I quite struggle to separate that gearbox from the body, but yeah, luckily we got it done. Yeah. So let's see. Now we'll have to remove this the brush holder here at the back. You can see it's quite stuck in there. I had to remove some more bolts. That's it. Amateurs out.
Amateur still good.
That's me saying amateur is still good.
Still good as well.
Yeah. Well, luckily the amateur is still good.
This speed controller, you can see it doesn't turn anymore.
Now it got stuck. I don't know what these guys do with this things. It's really not good how they treat machinery and such. It astonishes me. Okay, so let's see now. I got a few parts in the mail. A new chuck for the quick release chuck for the job. You can see, yeah, that looks a heap better than the old one. And my dog's at the background. Sorry about that. But yeah, let's see. We've got a couple of brush holders here. Little direction change switch with it as well. And yeah, we have a brand new speed controller. Quite expensive, that little part. I ordered these parts straight from Metabo, South Africa, and yeah, it's better looking than the old one. Now let's see.
Black one there, the brown one.
Awesome.
Okay, now to figure out how to remove this.
Quite easy. Took me basically half an hour to figure out how to remove this thing. But luckily we got it out, and you can see to remove the field coils as well, get it out. So then it's just press a little tab inside there and pop, it pops out. There you go. Very much. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video clip. I'll be seeing you in part 2 of this. So please like this video and subscribe to our channel, and click the bell notification so you guys can get the latest and greatest content and get notified when we release it. Thanks so much. See you next time.